In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an org chart in Google Sheets. Let's dive into it. First up, you'll need to start with a simple table. This table will serve as the backbone for your organizational chart. It consists of two columns. Column 1 is for listing your employees, and column 2 is for identifying who those employees report to. Think of it like setting up a family tree. Who reports to whom in your organization? Take a moment to fill in this information accurately as it forms the core structure of your chart. Once your table is set up with your employees and their respective reporting lines, you'll need to select these two columns. Go ahead and highlight them. Now, it's time to bring your organizational structure to life visually. With your columns selected, navigate to the Insert menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. A drop-down menu will appear. What you're looking for is the Chart option, so go ahead and click on it. This action prompts Google Sheets to open the chart editor on the right side of your screen. Now, it's time to choose the chart type that best represents your data. The chart editor provides a variety of chart types, but your goal here is an organizational chart. So, within the chart editor, you'll want to scroll down until you find the Others section. It's here that you'll find the organizational chart option. Select it. What happens next is quite satisfying. You'll see your data transform into a clean, hierarchical organizational chart right before your eyes. This chart visually displays the relationships between your employees and their managers, making the structure of your organization easy to comprehend at a glance. And just like that, you've got your organizational chart. Now, what's great about this chart is its flexibility and real-time responsiveness. If you need to make changes, perhaps someone got a promotion or a new team member has joined, simply update your original table. The chart will automatically adapt to reflect the new data, ensuring you always have the most current view of your organizational structure. Additionally, you have the option to personalize your chart. Click around the chart to explore various customization options. You can change colors, adjust fonts, and tweak other visual elements to better match your organization's style or brand. This is a great way to make your chart not just informative, but also visually appealing. And there you have it, an organizational chart set up in Google Sheets, ready to convey the nuances of your team's structure at a glance. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to create clear and effective organizational charts with ease.